Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à Learn French by Suchita. Je m'appelle Suchita, votre enseignante de la langue française, and in this video, I'm going to give you some of the reading and the pronunciation tips for A1 level. Before we begin with this video, I would like to introduce you to my website www.learnfrenchbysuchita.com, where you will find recorded courses for all your French language needs. We have courses for DELF A1, DELF A2, DELF B1, TEF TCF recorded course, French phonetics as well. We have special courses for our school students ranging from grade 5 to grade 8. We also have courses for university students who are enrolled in certificate course or diploma course in Delhi University. And finally, we also have courses for our school students who are aiming to appear for their DELF Prim or DELF Junior examinations. So hurry up and check it out. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. And as I already told you, in this video, I'm going to give you some of the reading and the pronunciation tips for A1 level. Before we begin with this video, I would request you to watch this video till the end. And in case you like this video, do not forget to give a thumbs up to the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and mention your comments in the comment section below. In case you're not following me over my Instagram page, which is Learn French by Suchita, go and follow me over there as well. Now let's just begin with this video. Here I've written a text which is a pretty easy text because it belongs to A1 level. If you want the English equivalent, English translation of this text, you will find that in the description box below. Now here, I'm going to read this text, and while I read this text, I'm going to give you some of the reading pronunciation tips, right? So let's just begin. So yeah, now here, Jules, Paul, et Marie sont. Now in French, you do not pronounce the last consonant. So your last, what are consonants? Which are not vowels. Now vowels are A, E, I, O, U, H and Y. These are vowels in French, okay? Now, in French, you do not pronounce the last consonant. So, T is your consonant that you're not going to pronounce. There are only 4 consonants which come at the end, but we still pronounce them. And which are C, L, F and R. If these 4 consonants are coming towards the end of a word, you pronounce them. Apart from that, you do not pronounce the last consonant. So, T, you will not pronounce. Alors, Jules, Paul et Marie sont trois. Now see, S being the last consonant, you will not pronounce. The pronunciation of OI. The pronunciation of combination OI in French is OA. So, MOI becomes moi. TOI becomes toi. TROI becomes trois. Trois. Or you can say trois. Trois amis. Now, again, this you will not pronounce. S. Amis. Now, here there is a rule of liaison. Now, what is the liaison rule? Liaison rule states, if a word is ending with a consonant, of course, you don't pronounce the last consonant in French. If a word is ending with a consonant and the next word is beginning with a vowel. Now here A is a vowel, so that is beginning with a vowel. So you start pronouncing the last consonant as well. Okay? So it's together. You'll pronounce it like trois amis. Trois amis. Trois amis très, très proches. Now see. What is the pronunciation of CH in English? In English, it is ch, like chips, right? But in French, the pronunciation of CH is sh. So, it is proche, or you can say proche, okay? I'll repeat. Jules, Paul et Marie sont trois amis très proches. Let's continue. Ils sont, that's the verb être. Ils sont toujours. Now here the tip is the pronunciation of OU. Now the pronunciation of OU combination in French is OU. OU. So let's say if I would have written MOU, that becomes mou. Here TOU becomes tout. Jour. Toujours. On. Now en is on.
ensemble, ensemble. Ils sont toujours ensemble. On. Now this is les. Appel. Now again the liaison rule. Why? Because les is ending with the consonant and appel is beginning with a vowel. So you would have the liaison rule and you'll start pronouncing this as well. So on les appelle les copains. Les copains inséparables. You need to break the word and pronounce it. IN is am. Say. Now see, if you have the accent, the forward accent, which is called accent aigu, if you have this accent, the pronunciation is A. So it becomes say. Pa, ra, bleu. Inséparable. Inséparable. Always, if you have a bigger word in French, always break and pronounce it. Inséparable. Let's repeat it. On les appelle les copains inséparables. Jules et ET is A in French. Et Paul, on, because we don't pronounce the last consonant, so T would be silent. On, onze, on. Now these are numbers. By the way, if you do not know the numbers in French, I'm going to mention the link of that video in the card above. You can watch that video, then come back here again. Now 11 is known as onze. Jules et Paul ont 11 ans, mais. Now here the pronunciation of AI is A. A. So MAI becomes may because you will not pronounce the last consonant S. Mais, Marie a 10 ans. 10 ans. Tous, OU I told you is O. So tous les trois, OI is OA, sont dans la même école. A, again, the pronunciation of this is A. École. Leur. Now again break it. Ma, ti, and now this is the back accent. Accent grave. Now the pronunciation of this is A and the pronunciation of this is A. A. So it becomes matière. Matière. Now see, in all these three we have the forward accent, so the pronunciation would be A. So préféré, sont là. Again you have G. So A, géographie, géographie. Et le sport, sport. T would be silent, sport. Il. Now the pronunciation of this is il and this is on. So you see, this is ending with a consonant, this is beginning with a vowel. So you'll say ils ont. Ils ont souvent de bonnes notes. Mais ils ne sont pas très forts en, now break it, maths. Now in French, H is always silent. Imagine there is no H. So T, E with an accent aigu becomes T, ma, ti, que. One more pronunciation rule. Whenever you have QU combination, whenever, in every word, now in your head, replace it with a K. So imagine there is K over here. So it is mathematique. Mathematique. Now, you don't have K, but I'm just telling you for the pronunciation, right? So, mathématique. I'm repeating it. Jules, Paul et Marie sont trois amis très proches. Ils sont toujours ensemble. On les appelle les copains inséparables. Jules et Paul ont 11 ans, mais Marie a 10 ans. Tous les trois sont dans la même école. Leurs matières préférées sont la géographie et le sport. Ils ont souvent de bonnes notes, mais ils ne sont pas très forts en mathématiques. Let's continue. Cette semaine, ils ont un projet, T would be silent, projet pour le cours. In both of them, you have the combination OU. OU is OU. So, pour, I told you. In French, you do not pronounce the last consonant, but there are 4 consonants which you pronounce, which are C, L, F, and R. So, this you will pronounce. Pour le cours de géographie. Break it. Géographie. Géographie. Le projet s'appelle qu'est-ce que? Now this whole is together. Qu'est-ce que? I told you whenever you have QU combination, replace it with a K in your head. So it becomes qu'est-ce que? Qu'est-ce que nous devons faire pour avoir, again, R being the last consonant, you pronounce it, avoir un monde propre. Les 3 amis, again, liaison rule, les 3 amis ont choisi. OI is OUA. CH is sh, as I already told you, so it becomes choisi de nettoyer la, now break it, rivière de leur village parce que, now this together is parce que, now this is parce qu'ils, liaison, parce qu'ils adorent. Now in the verbs, whenever you have, this is a verb. This is the verb adorer. It's an ER verb. In the verbs with il pluriel, whenever you have ENT in the end, you don't pronounce ENT. It's not adorant, it's adore. Ils adorent cette rivière bleue. Now let me just repeat it. Cette semaine, ils ont un projet pour le cours de géographie. Le projet s'appelle « Qu'est-ce que nous devons faire pour avoir un monde propre ?» Les 3 amis ont choisi de nettoyer la rivière de leur village parce qu'ils adorent cette rivière bleue. And that's it for this video. In this video, I've given you some of the pronunciation tips for A1 level. So in case you like this video, do not forget to give a thumbs up to the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and for all the updates and reminders, do not forget to hit the bell icon. And I'll see you soon with the next video. Till then, au revoir, à bientôt et bisous bisous.